Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm to show you how to create a golden text effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for latest videos. First, create a new document. I'm using an A3 paper size. Also name your document golden. Select orientation to landscape, then press create. Import your texture image, wall, in Photoshop. Download this texture image using the link in the description below. Rotate and resize the wall. In adjustment layer, choose curves. Click and adjust the curve as shown to make the image more dark. Again, in adjustment layer, choose hue/saturation. Select hue to -155, lightness to -20, and saturation to -9. Now add a shade, so in adjustment layer choose gradient. In the gradient fill dialog, adjust settings as shown. Still in the adjustment layer, choose gradient. In the gradient fill dialog, set style to radial, and mark reverse. Also change angle -0.12 degrees, then press OK. Select the type tool or press T. Click and type any word of your choice. Change font to Roboto. If you're interested, download this font using the link in the description below. And font size to 228.51. Also change color to gold. Type D 48 D 04. Then press OK. Align the text as shown. Double-click on the text layer to display layer style. In the layer style dialog, select bevel and emboss. Change style to emboss, technique to chisel hard, and depth to 1000. Size to 73. And soften to 16. Change highlight color. Type 9 F 6 9 0 3, then press OK. Increase opacity to 100%. Change shadow color. Type 6 B 4 C 0 0, then press OK. Increase opacity to 100%, then press OK. At this time our golden text is finished. So if this video was helpful, give a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe for latest videos. Thank you.